Well, good morning here. I think my vehicle is parked in part of the morning sun, which I need to rectify. And last night I came out today and I've got some frost damaged, wilted tomatoes, which is odd because last night was supposed to be warmer than the night before. Looked like the herbs were doing okay. And then these bell peppers, well, pepper varieties, looks like these guys on this side, on the exterior section, which makes sense, is the exterior part of this, it's the exterior part of that, exterior, and these seem like they're okay, but my vehicle is definitely in the way. And so this is going to require a large clear bin sit over the top, or we'll be building a mini greenhouse today to help this out. But it definitely needs some nighttime cover to keep them warmer. Because peppers are persnickety, and it's too cold for some of these guys still. Tomatoes like to start hardening in the cooler weather months. And over there is some potatoes. And I use a cedar as my bedding. Also, these damaged tomatoes plants, I'll be burying them up in the cedar bedding with a little bit of soil mix, just so they heal more. Sorry, my voice has been terrible for several weeks now. So, got lots of seedlings planted in these mini greenhouses. And this one is cucumber. I don't know if you can see them inside. There's the green sprouts. It's a little chilly this morning, so wait. Here, this little guy, that's a pea plant. And last night, I forgot when I went to bed last night, you actually go over here. But the pea plant didn't seem to mind, but it was pretty sheltered. It's just a piece of glass I found at a flea market. Got it for free. And this is my vine ripened tomato, came from the grocery store. And I've been letting it rot, and we're going to be planting that guy today.